Head high, chest up, and catch that brain, 'cause beauty is my name.
What up, beauty gang? So today I'm gonna bring you guys a natural hairstyle that was highly requested on my Instagram. I'll insert the clip here. I did this like Bantu knot crown on my head and then like a high puff or whatever, and people like went nuts over that hairstyle. People were like literally begging for it. Like, I know you made a tutorial. I hope you made a tutorial. When is the tutorial coming out? So it's like, let me just do this for you guys. So my hair is really a mess. Today is wash day, so I'm trying to get a lot of things accomplished, including this video, another video, and then another video. So it's kind of already in sections. I don't sleep with the Bantu knots. I always take them down at night just because they're kind of tight. They pull kind of tight or whatever. And I'm not going for a Bantu knot hairstyle, so I don't need it to be in its like curly form. As you can see, it's still there, but yeah, so I did 5 Bantu knots and they're already parted, so I'm not gonna repart them just for the sake of the video. But I did go for like triangular parts. So as you guys can see here, this middle part kind of goes out in an angle, and then here, this is a triangle, and then this one is a triangle. Okay, so I did triangular parts, not too complex. I don't think you guys need to see that. But I am no professional Bantu twister. That's why I've never done it on my channel for you guys. But now that I see it kind of makes a cute little pattern, I might end up eventually filming a Bantu knot tutorial for you guys. Actually, comment below if you guys would like me to do a Bantu knot tutorial for you. But yeah, today is just a quick kind of run through of how I do it. I'm gonna grab some styling cream. Actually, Sally's Beauty. If you follow me on my Instagram, you would know all the stuff I'm kind of telling you guys about. But I recently got a PR package from Sally's Beauty, and this Texture ID styling cream was in it. And it actually smooths my hair out really not well. I think it does. I only used it to like smooth out the hair because it was like really wild when I was trying to do the Bantu knots. But it works pretty well on my hair, so I kind of use that to smooth it if it's a little bit of flyaways going on. And then I don't know what makes me choose the direction I twist it in, but I just start twisting. Now, I have heard a lot of people say that you should not start tight or whatever because the Bantu knot will eventually get tight, which is valid. So I'll twist it just to make sure that this area is smooth, and then I kind of lightly start twisting it. I don't know. Hopefully you guys can get the picture from visuals. But as I start twisting it and it starts forming itself, the only thing is to make sure that you keep twisting it as you're starting to form that Bantu knot. But when you're twisting it, do not twist firmly. You want to twist it very lightly, because if you twist firmly, then it's just going to tighten and be uncomfortable. So yeah, just twist it very lightly and continue wrapping it around each other. And then these ends are real just dry, nappy, uncooperative. So as I'm getting to the end of the Bantu knot, I added some more cream, and there we go. A Bantu knot. Pretty cute. And then to secure it, take a bobby pin and I put it on the very end and kind of try to camouflage it. Alright, and there we go, our first Bantu knot. Looks kind of cute. See, I'm getting better. I think this is the type of hairstyle with practice you get better. So I'm gonna do the same thing to the rest of these sections. I basically pinch where I want it to start forming, and I twist it in whatever direction I feel is comfortable. So the first twist that I make is kind of firm, just to make sure all the hair is in the form of the Bantu knot. And then as I begin twisting further down, I loosen it up a lot. I'm not twisting heavy-handed or anything. And then you want to hold this finger down in place to start the base. The thing with Bantu knots, the more you twist it, the more the beginning of the Bantu knot starts to rise. So that's another reason that you don't want to twist tight as you first start out. You see how each time I wrap it around, I like put my hand in the place to keep it centered. I'm gonna add a little bit of cream on this end. looking kind of rough. It's very important to make sure that you're twisting it so it looks really uniform, because if you don't, then it's going to be kind of like nappy-ish. Now obviously when you guys put your bobby pins in, you can be a little bit more discreet with it. I'm just doing this for the sake of the video, but you can put bobby pins to secure it. Honestly, I don't really think discretion matters all that much, because if you're doing a high puff or even the hair out, your hair is just gonna be kind of flowed over it anyway. Pinch, twist firmly, and then slowly and gently twist the rest. Hold your finger at the base, keep it steady, and then wrap under. I don't know if I mentioned that the other times. You're gonna wrap the Bantu knot under as you keep adding to it. Under. Under. Okay? I could have actually wrapped it one more time, but because it's so thick, I don't want it to be like too crazy different from the rest. But my middle section is the thickest section, so that's why that Bantu knot is gonna be the biggest. I'm not like too anal about the proportions of the Bantu knot. Like this one is obviously way smaller than both of these, but it's okay. It is okay. And the difference between the Bantu knots that I'm showing you guys and if I did the actual hairstyle, this would have to be wrapped all the way around. Otherwise, when I took it down, the ends would be straight. So if you're trying to do like a Bantu knot hairstyle, like a complete one with taking it down, make sure that you're twisting that all around the Bantu knot. Don't have any left out. And I guess one more thing I forgot to mention as to when I decide to start forming the Bantu knot. So after I pinch the hair together and twist firmly for the first 2 to 3 twists, then I lightly start twisting it. When I get about halfway through the section, then I start forming the twist. I don't twist it all the way down. Hold it in place for the first time, and then keep twisting as I'm wrapping it around. Now that can get a little hard, because when you wrap it around, you gotta remember to keep twisting the hair in the opposite direction that you're wrapping it. But you will get the hang of it. And to be honest, when you get the hang of this hairstyle is very quick and easy to do. Definitely gonna be a cute summer hairstyle to do. Pinch, twist firmly 2 to 3 times, then begin to lightly twist it. Halfway through, begin to form the Bantu knot. Hold the initial wrap around in place. Then keep twisting in the opposite direction as you wrap it around. Make sure you're being very gentle and light-handed. Do not pull tight, do not do any of that. Just kind of let it naturally wrap itself. As you get to the bottom, you can start being a little bit firmer with it, but I really wouldn't suggest it. Yeah, none of these are proportionate at all. They're all different sizes, but I don't care. You can actually wrap it one more time. If you followed exactly what I said, you're gonna have your Bantu crown. And you know, it ain't right if I don't slay my edges, so I'm gonna do that off camera really quick and come right back, because I do already have a detailed tutorial on how I do my edges, lay, slay, you know, tame them. Alright, now that the edges are laid and slayed, you can honestly style your hair however you want. You can wear this style down. It's bogus right now. I would get this together. and I could wear it down. You can wear it up in a high puff, which is what everybody was obsessed with yesterday. Or you could split it in half and do 2 puff balls. Yeah, that is how you achieve the Bantu crown hairstyle. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video though. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and be sure to follow me on my social medias, because if you do recreate my hairstyles, I typically repost you, or I at least hype you up and comment or something. I definitely make sure that I show love, so definitely tag me in any post or anything if you recreate this hairstyle. Yeah, I gotta get this back section together, but I just want to show you guys really quick. People were obsessed, and it is really cute. This is really, really cute. It's out of your face. Yeah. Beauty Gang is really about to slay this summer. Like, I can tell. Like, we're about to slay. I'm so excited. But yeah, you guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe if you are new. Okay? And hit that bell button so you're notified each time I post a new video, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, by the way. But you need to hit that bell button so you're immediately notified when I post them. But yeah, until next time, guys, bye.
Move your body cause you're loving the way that you walk. Move your body if you're loving the way that you talk. 1 time if you're confident. Clap 2 times cause you own it. Never gave a damn about what they say, cause you handle all your business on a day by day. Head high, chest up, and catch that frame, cause beauty